Today topic is the continuation of data handling. Now we have to see the topic is mode. As we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative value. For different requirements from a data, other measure of central tendency are used. Okay. Look at the following example. See here. To find out the weekly demand for different size of shirts, a shopkeeper kept records of sales of size 90 centimeter, 95 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 105 centimeter, 110 centimeter. Okay. I have to write the centimeter 90, 95, 100, 105 and then 110 centimeter. In this one is the record for a week. Okay. That means, see here, the size in inches. You can write 90 centimeter, 95 centimeter, 100, 105, 110 and then you can write total. Then number of shirts sold. See here this one is 8, 95 centimeter is 22 and then 32, 37, 6. Now you can add, what will you get? 30, 62, 97, 99, 105. So you will get the total is 105. Okay. If he found the mean number of shirts sold, do you think that he would be able to decide which shirt size to keep in stock? Everybody know the mean formula, right? See here, mean of total shirt sold is equal to, now you have to write the mean concept. Mean is equal to, what is that? Total number of observation, that means here total number of shirts sold divided by number of different size of shirts. Okay, see here the total is 105. See the number of different size of shirts is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can put 5. What is 105 divided by 5? You will get 21. Okay, should be obtained 21 shirts of each size. If he does so, will he be able to cater to the needs of the customers? The shopkeepers, on looking at the record, decide to procure shirts of size 95 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 105 centimeter. Okay, now he decided to postpone the procurement of the shirts of the other sizes because of the small number of buyers. Right? Now, what is the mode definition for in this example? See here, the mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. This is called the mode. You able to understand? Okay, see that example. You understand clearly. See here. Find the mode of the given set of numbers. See here, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay. See, what is the question? Find the mode of the given set of numbers. Some numbers are given. Now you have to find the mode of in that one. First of all, you have to arrange the numbers with same values together. So we get 3 times 1 is here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 is here. Then 3 only 1 time. And then 4 2 times. First of all, you have to arrange the number with the same values together. See, now you have to find the mode of in this one. Mode of this data is 2. Why? Because it occurs more frequently than other observation. Okay, see here, the 1 appear only 3 times. 3 appear only 1 time. 4 2 times. This 2 is the 4 times will appear. That's why here the more frequently than other observation is 2. Everybody clear? Clear the mode concept? Okay. See here, find the mode of the given set of numbers. Some numbers are given. First of all, you have to arrange the numbers. See here, 1 3 times appear, 2 4 times, 3 1 times, 4 2 times. Now, what is the mode of in these numbers? Mode of this data is 2. Okay, so write clearly. Mode is 2 because it occurs more frequently than other observation. Now you have to see the definition. What is that? The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. Okay, that is called the mode. Clear? Now we have to see mode of large data. Putting the same observation together and counting them, it is not easy if the number of observation is large. In such cases, we tabulate the data. The tabulation can begin by putting tally marks. Everybody know the tally marks, right? And finding the frequency as you did in your previous class. See one example. Following are the margin of victory in the football matches of a league. See, some numbers are given. Find the mode of this data. This one is very large data, right? How can you find it out, the mode of in this one? First of all, let us put the data in a tabular form. Okay, see, margin of victory tally bars and then number of matches. See here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers only there. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So margin of victory is in this numbers only was given. Now you have to find it out the tally bars. See here, 1 is there. See, now you have to count the 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 1 is here. So you can write the tally bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear everybody? See here, what is the number of matches? 9. Okay, then 2. Now you have to count the 2. How many times? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now draw the tally bars. 14 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have to put 14. Everybody clear? Similarly, you have to find the another terms. See here 3. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 4. 4 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times only. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put here. And then see 5. 5 how many times? 1, 2, 3 times only. So you have to put 3. And then see the 6. 1, 2, 2 times only. Okay. Now you can find it out the total of in that one. What is the total? 23, 30, 35, 38, 40. The total is 40. Okay. Looking at the table, we can quickly say that 2 is the mode. Right? This is the 14. Okay, wow. 2 is the mode. Since 2 has occurred the highest number of times, thus most of the matches have been won with a victory margin of 2 goals. Everybody clear? In this term is mode. Okay, now we have to write the solution is here 2 is the mode. Since 2 has occurred the highest number of times. Thus most of the matches have been won with a victory margin of 2 goals. Okay, this is enough for you. Everybody clear? How can you find it out the mode of the given problem? See some example problem. See here, first one, find the mode of the numbers. See 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8. Now we have to find the mode of in that problem. How can you find it out? Here, see how many times 2 appear? 1, 2, 3. 5, 3 times. So here 2 and 5 both occur 3 times. Therefore, they both are modes of the given data. Okay, now you have to write here 2 and 5 both occur 3 times. Therefore, they both are mode of the given data. Everybody clear? Now we see median. Let us consider the one example. See here, 11 students from a class gave their names to participate in different events for sports day celebration of the school. The PT teacher wanted taller students to participate in the march past. So the class teacher asked the students to find their heights, that means in centimeter, okay, and arrange them in ascending order. The teacher got the observation as follows. See here, that means 114 centimeter, 117 centimeter, 118, 120, 122, 126, 128, 130, 134, 135 and then 138 centimeter. Okay, clear? Now, the teacher divided the student into two groups. A group in which the maximum height of any student in 126 centimeter and the remaining students belong to the other group. Here 126 is the middle number. This value divides the observation into two groups. Okay, one group has students whose heights are above 126 centimeter and the other below or equal to 126 centimeter. Okay, this value is called the median. Everybody clear? Okay, then median refers to the middle value of the observation when arranged in ascending or descending order. Median is another representative value of a set of observations. This representative value is used to divide a group based on their performance in an examinations or to divide a group based on the height, weight, monthly income, number of family members and so on. Okay. Now see one example problem. Find the median of the data. Okay, see here 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25, 35. Okay, now this is the question. You have to find the median. See here how many numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally 7 numbers means here 3 in this one 3, 17 is the middle. So 17 is the median means this is wrong. What is the first step? First we arrange the data in ascending order. Okay. See here, arrange first 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and then 46. Okay. Now, median is the middle observation. What is that? This 25. Right? So, 25 is the median. Therefore, 25 is the median. Everybody clear? First of all, you have to arrange the given data ascending or descending order. After that, you have to find it out the median concept. Median means middle part. Okay. Here 3 term. In this one is 3 terms. See, the central part is 25. In that one is median. Suppose, see here, I have to... you see the another example. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means which term is the median? See here 3, here 3. So 4 is the median. Everybody know this. Suppose 8 was given means what is the median? How can you find it out the median for in that one? See here in this side 3, in this side 3, 4, 5 is the median. Right. See, you need only one solution, but 4 or 5, how can you find it out the median? See, you can take in this 4 and 5 divided by 2. What is that? 9 by 2. What is 9 by 2? 4.5. So, in this problem, 4.5 is a median. Clear?